All right, I'm cutting across this big breaking news coming in ahead of mega assembly elections, 5 state elections. The Supreme Court now issues a notice over freebies. Supreme Court's notice to the Centre Election Commission on Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The Supreme Court's notice on a plea seeking freebies. Guidelines, the notice to the Centre on a plea with regards to guidelines when it comes to freebies being doled out in these election-bound states. This is, of course, a contentious issue. It's been in talks for quite a few months now. The Supreme Court taking up the matter as a plea has been filed on freebies and the guidelines with regards to freebies. Now, the Supreme Court, in response to the PIL alleging distribution of freebies ahead of assembly elections, has sent a notice to the Election Commission and the Centre on that. Kanu Sharda joining us more on that. Kanu, please give us more on the PIL that's been filed against doling out freebies in these election-bound states. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan specifically, we understand a notice has gone by the Supreme Court for a response from the Centre and the Election Commission on the same.
Yes, Lavina, the Supreme Court today has issued notice to the poll-bound MP and Rajasthan and also to the Centre and the Election Commission on a PIL which is filed for the stoppage of the freebies on the before the elections take place. The PIL has categorically said that this freebies causes serious financial constraints to state coffers, waste taxpayers' money, and the PIL has also stated that both state of MP and Rajasthan is already under the debt, and how will they, if they use the state funds to offer for the freebies, how will they'll repay those debts? The Supreme Court has agreed to hear this matter after 4 weeks, and for now they have sought a reply from the Election Commission of India, who's already in the process of making comprehensive guidelines for the freebies in the upcoming elections.
All right. Well, this is going to really set precedents when it comes to elections, even in the following year, considering that in the recent elections, be it Karnataka and a few states, we saw promises of freebies being given out. And just in time for Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, you have a PIL that's been filed before the Supreme Court against the distribution of freebies, and a notice now being issued to the Centre and the Election Commission to respond on the same. Thanks, Kanu, for joining us.